Welcome all. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the nucleus. Okay. In prior lecture, we discussed about the various cell organelles. Okay. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the nucleus. Okay. In which we are going to study introduction, history, morphology of the nucleus, ultrastructure of the nucleus, then nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and the function of the nucleus as well as the nucleolus. Okay. In this lecture, we are only going to point out like introduction, history, and the morphology of the nucleus. Okay. Then, what is the nucleus? As we know, the nucleus is a controlling center of the cell. We say the nucleus is the controlling center of the cell, which carries out the all the cellular activity or maintain the control on the all the cellular activity of the cell. Okay. When we look at the eukaryotic cell under the light microscope, nucleus is the largest visible compartment. Okay. जर का आपण लाईट मायक्रोस्कोप खाली सेल पाहिली तर काय असणार आहे, जे एक लार्जेस्ट विजिबल कंपार्टमेंट दिसतं आपल्याला सेंट्रलला असेल. ओके, त्याला आपण म्हणतो सेंट्रिक मीन्स द लार्जेस्ट visible compartment at the center of the cell is known as is called as the nucleus. Okay, which is the distinguishing characters or distinguishing feature between the eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. Okay, as we separate prokaryotic cell from the eukaryotic cell by the presence of the or absence of the nucleus. Okay, in prokaryotic cells there is a no well developed nucleus present, but in eukaryotic cell there is a well developed nucleus present in which the genetic information is stored. Okay, जे आपल्या प्रोकॅरियोटिक सेलमध्ये काय असतं, न्यूक्लियस नसतो वेल डेव्हलप, आणि युकॅरियोटिक सेलमध्ये काय असतो, वेल डेव्हलप न्यूक्लियस असतो. त्यामुळे काय न्यूक्लियस हा काय एक डिस्टिंग्विशिंग फीचर आहे किंवा एक पर्टिक्युलर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे जे युकॅरियोटिक सेलमध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे. ठीक आहे. Nucleus is a house of the eukaryotic cell's genome. Okay, means all the genome or all the DNA is embedded within the nucleus. Then it acts as a central controlling for the cellular activities. Okay, means all the genome in the nucleus is a controlling or having the genes. Okay, and as we know, the genes are responsible for the controlling the cellular activities like DNA replication, transcription, RNA processing. Okay, the processes such as the DNA replication, transcription and the RNA processing are takes place within the nucleus. आपला न्यूक्लियस काय, त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्या सेलची पूर्ण जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन असते स्टोअर केलेली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द जीनोम. देन व्हॉट इज द जीनोम? जीनोम इज अ कंप्लीट सेट ऑफ द क्रोमोझोम इज कॉल्ड ॲज द जीनोम. आपले जे काही DNA किंवा जो काही क्रोमोझोम्स आहेत त्या सेटला आपण काय म्हणतो, जीनोम, which have the ability to produce several kind of the proteins or the several kind of the functions or activities like the DNA replication. In DNA replication, DNA makes its own copy. DNA is replicated by means replication is a process by which the DNA makes its own copy during the cell division. Cell division च्या वेळेस काय होतं, DNA चा स्वतःची एक रिप्लिकेट किंवा एक कॉपी बनवली जाते, त्याला आपण म्हणतो DNA replication, जी आपल्या पॅरेंटकडून ऑफस्प्रिंगला सेंड केली जाते. देन ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन, दिस इज द प्रोसेस वेअर द DNA मेकिंग दी RNAs. ओके, देन RNA प्रोसेसिंग. RNA प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स आयदर इट इज फॉर्मिंग अ mRNA, messenger RNAs, transport RNAs or the rRNA. Okay, means ribosomal RNA. The RNA processing takes place within the nucleus. This is the activities or these are the activities of the nucleus. Okay, this is the introduction about the nucleus. Okay, what is the nucleus? Nucleus is observed in the eukaryotic organisms. Okay, it is a distinguishing characteristic between the eukaryotic cell and the prokaryotic cell. It contains all the genome of the all the genetic information of the cell, then act as a central controlling system. Okay, through where all the cellular activities or the cellular functions are carried out. Then it is performing functions like the DNA replication, transcription and the RNA processing. Okay, then You can see in this picture or ultrastructure of the DNA under the light microscope. ठीक है, हा काय, this is the blue color. In this blue color we can see this is the nucleus, whole nucleus of the cell, okay, having DNA or the genetic material or the genome in the form of the chromatin. These are the chromatins, okay, you can see in both the pictures. This is the chromatin having the, this is the chromatin having, or these are the chromatin having the genetic information, okay. The chromatin is embedded within the nucleoplasm. The region except the nucleolus of the region except the nucleus in the nucleolus in the nucleus is called as the nucleoplasm. ठीक आहे, जो काही न्यूक्लिओलस आहे त्याला सोडून जो काही रिजन असतो न्यूक्लियसमध्ये त्याला आपण म्हणतो न्यूक्लियोप्लाझम. ओके, in the nucleoplasm the DNA or the genetic information embedded in the form of the chromatin. Then the central or the centrally having the nucleolus. Nucleolus is for the, this is the nucleolus part, okay. This is the nucleolus where the nucleolus is having the function or the site of the ribosome synthesis and rRNA synthesis, okay. This is the site of the ribosome synthesis. This is the nucleolus, then nucleoplasm, then nuclear pores. The pore means the cavity or the channel. These are the nuclear pores. The nuclear envelope is having several kind of the nuclear pore which are the act as a channel for transport between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. Means the protoplasmic transport is carried out by means of the nuclear pore. जे काही प्रोटोप्लाझम मध्ये प्रोटोप्लाझम म्हणजे काय असतं, प्रोटोप्लाझम इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द सायटोप्लाझम अँड दी न्यूक्लियोप्लाझम. ठीक आहे, मग जे काही न्यूक्लियसकडून सायटोप्लाझममध्ये मटेरियल येणार आहे ते न्यूक्लियर पोर थ्रू येणार आहेत. तर जे काही सायटोप्लाझममधून जे काही रायबोझोम सिंथेसिससाठी जे काही मटेरियल जाणार आहे ते न्यूक्लियर पोर कॉम्प्लेक्समधून आज जाणार. ठीक आहे, मीन्स न्यूक्लियर पोर or nuclear pore complex is the opening or this is the channel for the exchange between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Then okay, this is the nucleus. Nucleus का असतो एक वेल डबल मेम्ब्रेन माउंट स्ट्रक्चर आहे. This double membrane mount structure is called as the nucleus where the genetic information is stored within the nucleoplasm. Okay, nucleoplasm का असतो न्यूक्लियलस सोडून न्यूक्लियसच्या आतमध्ये न्यूक्लियलस सोडून जो काही रिजन असतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो न्यूक्लियोप्लाझम. न्यूक्लियोप्लाझमचं कंटेंट काय असणार आहे, न्यूक्लियोप्लाझम इज एम्बेडेड ऑर हॅव्हिंग दी क्रोमॅटिन. क्रोमॅटिन काय असतात, क्रोमॅटिन्स आर दी DNA ऑफ दी सेल. क्रोमॅटिन्स आर दी DNA ऑफ दी सेल और द DNA bind with the proteins, okay, histone proteins. Then the central part of the nucleus is called as the nucleolus. It is site of the ribosome synthesis. Then on the nuclear envelope there is many minute pores are called as the nuclear pores which are the controlling the transport between the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm. Okay, then discovery. When we talk about the discovery, as you know, Antoine van Leeuwenhoek, who is the inventor of the compound microscope, okay, it was probably said that this Antoine van Leeuwenhoek is the first who observed the nucleus in the blood cell and the amphibian cell. ठीक आहे, जे काही बर्ड सेल्स आणि ॲम्फिबियन सेल्स होते त्यांचे ब्लड सेल होते, त्यांच्यामध्ये काय केलं अँटोइन वॅन ल्युइनहोफनी काय केलं, न्यूक्लियस ऑब्झर्व केलं. बट दॅट टाइम द न्यूक्लियस कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट वेल नोन. त्यामुळे त्या जो काही पार्ट त्यांनी ऑब्झर्व केला, सेंट्रल कोर पार्ट ऑब्झर्व केला ब्लड सेलमध्ये, त्याला त्यांनी न्यूक्लियस म्हणलं नाही, कारण की त्या तोपर्यंत न्यूक्लियस ही कॉन्सेप्ट आली नव्हती. देन आफ्टर दॅट फेलिक फोंटेना, who is also called as the discover the nucleus by observing the epidermal cell. Okay, जे काही फेलिक फोंटेना होते इन 1730 and 1805 या एजमध्ये किंवा या कालखंडात त्यांनी काय केलं, हे काय इपिडर्मल सेल होते, ईल मीन्स काय, जे आपला फिश आहे, एक फिश असतो त्याच्या इपिडर्मल सेलवर त्यांनी सेलचा स्टडी केला, त्यामुळे त्यांना न्यूक्लियस प्रेझेंट किंवा न्यूक्लियस सापडलं होता, ठीक आहे. बट द स्कॉटिश बॉटनिस्ट, okay, the Scottish botanist Robert Brown, who observed the nucleus and termed the concept nucleoli. Okay, the Robert Brown is the first person who coined the term nucleus in 1831. Okay, Robert Brown, he is the first scientist or botanist who coined the term nucleus in 1831, okay, and named it as a nuclei. Okay, Robert Brown observed the nucleus of the plant cell. Then structure. The nucleus is a double membrane bound structure. Okay, the double membrane bound structure at the center of the cell is called as the nucleus. Nucleus is a double membrane bound structure called nuclear envelope. Okay, the nucleus is a double membrane bound or compartment. Okay, the membrane is called as the nuclear envelope. Within that, the nucleus is enclosed. Okay, the lumen is the part which is separating the two membranes, like cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. The lumen is a layer which is separating the two membranes. It is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. Lumen कोणता? ठीक आहे काय? The nucleus is a double membrane bound compartment. Okay, as you see here, the nucleus is a double membrane. This is the outer membrane and the inner membrane. Okay, this is the outer membrane and the inner membrane of the inner part of the endoplasmic reticulum is forming a nuclear envelope. Okay, then the lumen, you can see here the lumen is a part which is separating, this is the lumen which is separating the this cavity, or this is the cavity of the nuclear envelope is called as the lumen, which is filled or it is continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum. ठीक आहे, इथे दिसतंय का, जो काय आपला एंडोप्लाझ्मिक रेटिक्युलम आहे त्यासोबत काय हा लुमेन काय करतो, कंटिन्युअस फॉर्म करतो. तो काय करतो, जे काय आपलं सायटोप्लाझ्मिक कंटेंट आहे आणि न्यूक्लिओप्लाझ्मिक कंटेंट आहे त्यांना काय करतो, सेपरेट करतो. ठीक आहे. देन द मॅक्रोमॉलिक्युल्स पास बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियस अँड द सायटोप्लाझम थ्रू द न्यूक्लियर पोर कॉम्प्लेक्स. ओके, द macromolecules means whatever the ribosomes, whatever the ribosomes or the proteins form within the cell or the outside the within the cell are transported towards the nucleus by means of this nuclear pore complex. This is the nuclear pore complex or the channel for the transport of the material. This is the nuclear pore complex, which is the channel for transporting the macromolecules within the cytoplasm and the nucleoplasm. Okay, then the nucleus has no envelope and subcompartments. ठीक आहे, जे काही न्यूक्लियस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये पर्टिक्युलर टाईपचे कंपार्टमेंट नाही किंवा एनवलप नाही, बट एक्सेप्ट न्यूक्लियस. ओके, देन द nucleolus is a most clearly visible structure in the nucleus. Okay, you can see here, this is the this region is called as the nucleolus region, which is formed by means of the cristae, or it is formed due to the inward folding of the chromatin. Chromatin is forming a nucleolus region from where the ribosomes are synthesized. Okay, this is the nucleolus. Then the region other than the nucleolus is referred as the nucleoplasm. The region, okay, the region except the nucleolus is called as the nucleoplasm. Then inside the nucleus, DNA can be found in the compacted structure is called as the heterochromatin, or डेन्सली कॉम्पॅक्टेड स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड ॲज द युक्रोमॅटिन. जो काही न्यूक्लियसमध्ये DNA कसा असणार आहे, एकतर कॉम्पॅक्टली बाउंड असेल किंवा डेन्सली बाउंड असेल. जर कॉम्पॅक्टली बाउंड असेल तर आपण काय म्हणतो त्याला हेटेरोक्रोमॅटिन, अँड डेन्सली बाउंड असेल तर काय म्हणतो त्याला युक्रोमॅटिन म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. मीन्स न्यूक्लियस इट इज डेव्हलप बाय मीन्स ऑफ द डबल मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड ॲज double membrane envelope structure is called as the nuclear envelope, which is followed by the lumen, okay, lumen of the lumen of the endoplasmic reticulum, which is separating the cytoplasmic content and the nuclear content. Okay, then the nuclear pore complex, these are the nuclear pore complex which are the channels between the nucleus or the nucleoplasm and the cytoplasm for the exchange of the macromolecules. Then the nucleolus region is formed due to the chromatin, where the nucleolus region is for the ribosome synthesis. Then it is the envelope is made up of the two layers. Outer membrane envelope is double membrane, outer membrane and the inner membrane, and the space between the two membranes is called as the perinuclear space. Okay, this is the perinuclear space between the two wall of the nuclear envelope is called as the perinuclear space or the lumen, which is separating the cytoplasm from the nucleoplasm. Then in the nucleus the DNA is present in either densely, either compactly. If it is compactly bound, it is called as the heterochromatin, and if it is densely bound, it is called as the euchromatin. Okay, this is about the structure of the nucleus. Then, or the introduction about the nucleus. Then, what are the advantages of the eukaryotic cells having the nucleus? Okay, as the म्हणजे आपल्या युकॅरियोटिक सेल्सकडं न्यूक्लियस असल्याचा ॲडव्हान्टेज काय आहे किंवा ॲडव्हान्टेज काय झालेलं आहे. असं जसं आपण पाहिलं की जीन एक्सप्रेशन काय असतं. जीन एक्सप्रेशन मीन्स ॲबिलिटी ऑफ जीन्स और ॲबिलिटी ऑफ सेल टू रिप्लिकेट द DNA or transcription of the DNA and the translation of the DNA. Okay, in prokaryotic cells all the stages like the replication, transcription and the translation are found or carried out by means of the cytoplasm. Okay, prokaryotic cells मध्ये जे काही तिन्ही प्रोसेस आहेत, रेप्लिकेशन, ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन आणि ट्रान्सलेशन या सायटोप्लाझममध्येच होतात. पण जे काही आपला युकॅरियोटिक सेल आहे त्याच्याकडे न्यूक्लियस आहे, त्यामुळे काय होतं, जे काही ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन आहे, replication and transcription and formation of the or splicing of the RNA, it takes place within the nucleus, and the translation means the formation of the protein, it takes place in the cytoplasm. Means in eukaryotic cell gene expression is to be regulated by means of the unique in eukaryotic cells. जे काही जीन रेग्युलेशन होतं ते without any complication होतं. ठीक आहे, in eukaryotic cell as compared to the prokaryotic cell. This is about the introduction and the structural component of the nucleus.